Hello lovely YouTube family, what's going on? Teenagers can earn more than just spending money on leisure. They can earn experience, financial independence, responsibility, and savings for college. Life as a teenager can be hectic between school, friends, and home. That's why jobs should be fun, social, and flexible. So in this video, I'm going to look at the top 10 highest paying jobs that you as a teen can work after school and on the weekends to earn extra cash while gaining valuable experience for the future. Curious? Then sit back, relax, and enjoy the whole video. Number 1. Babysitter. Cooking food, fun for the kids, and doing homework with them. The job as a babysitter is not always easy, but it is well paid. In addition, babysitters are desperately wanted and you'll find numerous requests on online job boards. Good childcare can also cost some parents a lot. Babysitters can therefore expect a pay of around $15 above an hour. Basically, the payment of babysitters is a matter of negotiation. During the day, especially in summer, it's also an opportunity for you to go to the movies with them, to the park, or even to the zoo. The best thing about this job is that babysitters are often used in the evenings or even on weekends, and this can be perfectly combined with actual work or study. Number 2. Distribution of newspapers. Receiving, sorting, and delivering newspapers. These are the main tasks that a newspaper deliverer has to do. But also the delivery of brochures or magazines is a profitable sideline. The job can be carried out as a temporary worker or as a regular deliverer. Offers can often be found in regional daily newspapers. Here's how it works. Each deliverer is given a route by the employer to his place of residence and the address that he delivers daily or even weekly. Good local knowledge is helpful. A small trolley, which is usually automatically made available free of charge by the publisher, can help to transport the magazines from A to B. Salary varies depending on the number of newspapers delivered. The amount per newspaper is usually in the double-digit cent range plus night surcharge. With a corresponding tour, this can be up to $500 per month. You have to know how to get up early and enjoy standing, or at least bear it a few hours a day to make ends meet. The advantage is that you have the rest of your day to yourself. Direct morning, 20 minutes, metro, here you are. Number 3. Lifeguards. Obviously, in developed countries, this is not the first job we think of, but if you have the possibility of going to the coasts, the cities are looking for a lot of lifeguards. You must have passed an exam anyway. If you have it, this is very well paid, and it also allows you to perfect a tan which everyone will be jealous of. This is as close to superhero as it gets as a young person. You learn how to save lives and keep people having fun at your local pool or water park. While some swim-related establishments offer CPR training, not all do. Before you apply, check the places you're hoping to work to make sure you're qualified. Number 4. Dog sitter. In addition to being able to babysit, another of the highly paid jobs for teenagers is dog sitting. This activity involves taking care of other people's dogs, taking the dog for a walk, playing with him, bathing him, and taking care of his needs. Dog sitting is a very popular job, especially during the summer, when many dog owners go on vacations and look for someone who can take care of them. As well as during the summer, dog sitting is required all year round by those who work and cannot take care of their pet during specific times of the day. We must love animals above all. Dog sitter means walking and often keeping dogs during the day. Dogs should not fight each other and care must be taken to make them whole. More and more agencies are offering this type of service. Number 5. Cashier. From the convenience store downstairs to the supermarket, distributors are hiring cashiers in the summer. Cashier jobs in the field of food sales are a good opportunity to earn a real salary with strict hours. Get a job as a cashier this summer and you could make $15 or more an hour. Good cashier jobs include grocery stores and retail stores. Cashiers obviously have to learn to use a cash register. They also handle money and must keep a balanced cash drawer. Number 6. Waiter or waitress. Catering is the area that hires the most teens and students in the summer or year-round. Some establishments only operate with entry-level employees. Tips are a real bonus and sometimes even allow you to increase your salary considerably. However, the pace is tiring and customers are often demanding. To be a good waitress or waiter, you need to be efficient, honest, and know your menu. The average pay for restaurant servers is more than $10 an hour. Part of your earnings will be tips as well, which can be really good for you as a teenager. Number 7. Gardener in the city. Gardener, garbage collector, and guardian of the public highway are summer jobs that young people can practice in the city. Many cities offer jobs for the summer season. These jobs are well paid and allow you to work in good conditions, so just go ask the town hall of your city. You can even do lawn maintenance, and it requires a strong back and dedicated work ethic above all, with little chance that one will be called upon to interact with a cash register. In warm weather climates, grass mowing goes on year-round. Number 8. Tutor. Are you an economics guru? Are you a math wizard? Do you adore British history? Well, if you have the grades, the communication skills, and the will to keep your appointments with other students, you could consider becoming a tutor. Even in the online age of the Khan Academy and Udemy, there's still a demand for one-on-one tutoring in your neighborhood, particularly when it comes to the harder subjects like mathematics and science. Your job is simple. Teach students, ensure they're proficient in the subject, and determine if they understand the material. The most difficult part is coming up with a lesson plan. But if you have a strong education in mathematics, biology, or coding, then it may not be as hard as you think. If you're tutoring long enough and you build a portfolio of clients, then this would be a great attribute for future employers. With a growing number of students, tutors are in demand more than ever before. Since parents are willing to shell out a little bit more for the best of the best, then you can earn as much as you want. You also have a couple of options: work for online tutoring services or be an independent tutor. Either way, you could make as low as $15 an hour, or you could bring in about $80,000 for only 16 weeks of work. Number 9. Sales associate. Sales associates are who you see once you're ready to make a purchase. They're also there to help if you have any questions about products. They make sure store operations are running smoothly and efficiently. This is one of the most popular roles for teens when they first join the workforce, and it's a great way to build customer service skills. Sales associates earn an average of $12 an hour when they're first starting out, and after that, the possibilities are limitless. Number 10. Bike courier. Doing sports and whizzing through the city at lightning speed. As a bicycle courier, you can transport gifts, food, or blood tests in no time from A to B. This job has many advantages. You get to know your hometown like the back of your hand. And if you're lucky, you may get a hefty tip from the receiver of the goods. And what about the salary? Due to the high physical efforts, this job pays from about $15 to $20 per hour. On the other hand, earnings depend on how many orders you can take on or create. The weather conditions also play a role. If you want to make money, swing on the bike, saddle in the sun and rain. In addition, the job as a bike courier is very stressful and exhausting. Good physical condition is important here. Well, that's pretty much from this video. I hope you liked this video and learned some of the best opportunities out there for you. It's time for the comment section. Leave a comment about your favorite teen job and why you liked it, and will you be willing to take any of these job roles in the near future. Wish you the best of luck. Like and subscribe. Till the next video, work hard to achieve your dreams.